Now, combustion reactions, these are reactions with some sort of fuel or some sort of burnable thing, and fuel can mean a variety of different things, and oxygen, which produces a rapid reaction which releases heat and light. Okay, so I can have reactions between things and oxygen that are slow, and they wouldn't be a combustion reaction. But a rapid reaction is, and we recognize these often as oxygen being one of my reactants and an oxide being produced. Okay, so for example, paraffin wax reacting with oxygen would give me carbon dioxide and water. And we can see our reaction here. And my iron can react with my oxygen. This can be a slow reaction when it's rusting, but it can also be a rapid reaction where I'm giving off heat and light. Okay. Now, generally when we're talking about combustion, we're going to be looking at the combustion of a hydrocarbon, which is a substance that contains only carbon and hydrogen. When we look at this combustion, we have two types. Okay? But some examples of hydrocarbons would be our methane, our propane, our octane. Methane used if you have a gas stove in your house, propane used if you have a propane barbecue, octane used in a car. Now, complete combustion occurs when all of my hydrocarbon is produced converted into carbon dioxide and water. Whereas incomplete combustion, some of my carbon, rather than being completed just to carbon dioxide, will be converted into carbon monoxide. I'll get carbon soot or solid carbon and carbon dioxide. So we have our examples here. Now, you will only be required to recognize incomplete combustion. If we give you the reactants for combustion reaction, we want complete combustion. We do not want you to give us incomplete combustion, because the process for balancing and determining our coefficients is a lot more tricky. And it depends on how much oxygen is present. So we're only going to be looking at complete combustion.